Morning everyone, John from Popeyes Postcards going to do our daily what sold video. As you can see on the screen, 10 orders for $205. So yeah, really good day. Helped with the sale of one postcard. This first one is Wheeling, West Virginia, 1907 flood, 16th Street, 1907. And sold for $13.99. Could have been on a best offer that I sent out. I think that's what doesn't show, are people who take offers that I send. So anyway, $13.99 is what I'll go with. This is New Jersey Stone Harbor dedicating boardwalk and casino, 1916. Pretty talked about this yesterday in the video. Uncommon view of this card, so I priced it up. I only paid 30 cents for it, but I priced it up to like 90 and received a good offer. As I mentioned yesterday, the buyer only had just joined that day to make the offer, and they did pay, which is awesome. What was a little concerning is when you see the offer and you see the username and it shows you where they're located. The location was down in Florida. So this morning when I pulled and to pack it and printed the shipping label, it's being shipped to Stone Harbor, New Jersey. So adds a little bit more to the concern, but we'll see. I have blocked people from in New Jersey for, I can't remember why, but I've blocked people up there. So we'll see. Cautiously optimistic. At least they paid. That's half the battle. It's packed up first class with insurance, so hopefully I'm covered if something goes awry. So anyway, yeah, Stone Harbor, definitely a Bolo, New Jersey beach town. $70 for that card. This is Ocean View, Virginia, the Candlelight Restaurant, 1950s. And that sold for $14.99. This is Banner Dual View Greetings from Key West, vintage. I could put some other better keywords in there, but $6.99 for that card. This is Silver Springs Woman Drinks Coke Underwater. Looks like a typical Coke bottle. I thought this was Wiki with Chi first, but no, it's Silver Springs. $18.50, and that is going to the United Kingdom. Next, Lebanon, New Jersey, Central Railroad Company passenger station. Probably 60s or 70s. Well, there we go, 73. $8.49 for that card. Consolidated Vultee B-36 bomber, Air Force plane in flight. Came from the auction buyout from last August. $2.99. Says I have 0 available. I actually have like 30 left, so I just put 5 more up. Yeah, $2.99. New Jersey Brigantine Twin Screws Motel Boatel interior. TV on. Did I put TV on in the title? I don't know. I should have. I did. There it is. TV on. $16.99. So these multi-view with the TV on. Make sure you put that as a keyword. TV on. Yeah, $16.99. Texas corn grows big in Texas. Exaggerated corn, 1907 by Cornish. Have a couple of these. Scanner line there. And $6.99. And then the last card, I sold a Niagara Falls card. I don't list too many Niagara Falls cards, but definitely this one. Bobby Leach in his barrel. Niagara Falls, 1911 real photo. So I guess he went over the falls in that thing. Bobby Leach. I don't know if that's his signature or not. I have no way of verifying it. Don't know. So anyway, $18. So there you go. Pretty short video today. 10 orders, $205. I also sold 2 postcards on airplane postcards for like $14. So almost $220 for the day. And real quick, this weekend, June 24th and 25th, we have the Lexana, Kansas, the Greater Kansas City Postcard Show, 2-day event. So if you're in the Kansas area, try to hit that up. And then also, is that Monday? It seems like a weird date. June 26th, Norwalk, Ohio, 10 to 4 postcard show. And then nothing until July 9th and 10th down in Harrisonburg. I don't know if I'll go to that one or not. Don't know, because in August, there's a whole bunch coming up in July. August is Habit of Grace, which I usually go to. So there you go. Attend a postcard show, go to a club meeting, all that good stuff. Sell on eBay. WhatNot, I have the Thursday Nooner, Matthew Kirst Choice, some small lots, and then requests. Okay. Thank you very much, everybody, for the continued support, and hope you have a good day.